Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, this is, as you saw in our title, our December CURLBOX, the last one of the year, y'all. How about that? Okay, but we're going to unbox it right now. And for those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, I'll leave the information down below. So, if you'd like to try it out for yourself, and you should, all the information will be readily available. Well, when we opened it up, it did have the Ulta paper again. I just want to put that out there and let you know. And of course, our description card, okay? And it says our theme for this month is Holiday Slay. Gorgeous, right there. Okay, this is the last one of the year, and y'all know this is my favorite box. Okay, so this month we have quite a bit going on in here. Plus, it was a little too much to fit in the box, and there was something sitting on the outside. So just a little something extra for you to look forward to. So it says, we've got you covered for your trip back home, a night out with the girls, or any occasion that requires an array of products to get you glam from head to toe. Okay. All right, and so this box is stuffed with hair and beauty goodies from Ulta Beauty, along with one special curly edition from brands like Living Proof, MAC, and Urban Hydration. Okay, so the first thing it says we need to do is prep. Okay, and it says winter's harsh temps can do a number on your curls, which requires ultra hydrating formulas like your Urban Hydration Jamaican Castor Oil. And that's this one right here. And of course, it is our first product. And this is a co-wash and conditioner. And it says this growth boosting co-wash utilizes Jamaican castor oil to thicken and increase blood flow to the scalp while simultaneously cleansing and conditioning. Okay, this is a 6.8 fluid ounce size, and it is a cruelty-free product. It is a family-owned product. I love that. I absolutely love that. And it says safe for natural, relaxed, and color-treated hair. Salon tested and BFF approved. All right, and this one has it looks as if it says it has a 12-month shelf life. Let's see. Yes, it does. And it has a 12-month shelf life. So this is item number 1 and our prep, okay? Oh, this is what was sitting on the outside of the box, y'all. All right. It says swoop in with your Wet Brush Pro Shine Enhancer Brush, a unique tool that glides through curls with a combination of soft IntelliFlex teeth and boar bristles. Experience 45% less breakage, tugging, and split ends. I am here for it. Okay. It says it adds shine while going through your tangles with ease. And it's a unique hybrid blend, which is what we talked about earlier, of natural boar and IntelliFlex. Hey, that's a word that they had registered. How about that? With an easy grip handle. And this is what the brush I received looks like, okay? Yes, it almost feels like a paddle brush, okay? Then it says, next, we want to style, all right? So it says, love updos, create gorgeous foundational twists that can later be pinned into any look with your living proof curl definer. And that is this product right here. This conditioning styler defines curls for easy manipulation later. All right, and this one is a 6.4 fluid ounce size, and it is a conditioning styler. Okay, can you see this right here? Let you know it's great for curly hair. Okay, and it says it's their healthy curl complex to tame your curls, leaving them bouncy, shiny, and frizz-free without any residue. Okay. It says apply to wet hair, root to tip, evenly distribute throughout your hair, scrunch to form curl groupings, and then dry as usual. All right, and this one also has a 12-month shelf life. Okay. So that is item number 3. If you're pressed for time, it's a 10 Coily Miracle Curl Cream is a godsend. Finally, a true wash and go is achievable with this quick drying, non-hardening styling cream that delivers touchable curls. I like those claims. This is a 4-ounce size. It's made in the US, and it says it's a 10. What are the 10 things? Soft, firm, touchable hold, ultra bouncy curl definition, ultimate defrizzer, controls texture, moisturizes, imparts shine, tames volume, coconut and avocado oil infused, helps protect split ends, and great for twisting hold. Nice. Now, the only thing is I do not see an expiration date on this. Oh, wow. It says you can reapply to dry hair to revitalize your curls. Okay, I'm looking forward to trying this. Okay, so that is item number 4. Yes, it is. Then it says you move on to Glam. For a delightful pop of color, we're giving you, oh nice, we're giving you MAC Vegan Vault Lipstick Cream, a gorgeous coral lippy with a creamy satin finish. When you're ready for a bedtime fresh face, then we'll move on to the next step. But let's talk about this first. Okay, it's that infamous bullet, okay? But this is what the box looks like. And the shade is called Vegan Vault. This is quite interesting. I'm sure, well, I'm not ready to try it on yet. Wasn't ready. I wasn't expecting a lipstick, okay? Let's just put that out there. Otherwise, this would not have been here. But should we try it anyway? Let's just put it on over top of what we have. Now, I have to admit, I never thought I would be wearing a coral lipstick, but this isn't bad at all. I might have to put a little bit more liner on it, maybe some gloss, but this is not bad. How's that? What's your thoughts? Okay, all right, moving right along. Then it says, when you're ready for a bedtime fresh face, use your Urban Hydration Aloe Vera Leaf Micellar Cleansing Water. This is a huge bottle, okay? It says created for use on combination and acne-prone skin. This makeup remover contains healing aloe that detoxes the skin and reduces inflammation. Oh, I am so here for thank you, CURLBOX. Looking out for our whole selves here. Okay. It says bright and balanced micellar facial cleansing water with pure aloe vera. Contains A&E plus blended with fruit extracts. It is a 600 milliliter or 16.9 fluid ounce size. It says daily use for all skin types. No sulfates, no phthalates, no silicone, and no parabens. Wow. Helps detox, helps brighten skin, helps moisturize, and helps exfoliate. They call it the good stuff. I think I'm in agreement. And this one also has a 12-month shelf life. It's not tested on animals, and it's vegan and silicone free. Okay, I know I'm gonna open it. Let me see how much. I got a little bit more witch hazel to go. So give me a minute. I might just be using them both anyway. I like. Okay. Alrighty, so this is the last. You know, the more I look at this, the more I like it. I like it a lot. Yes, the more I look at it, the more I like it. Okay. Now, I apologize, y'all. I know it's this, you see this crystal look all over the place, okay? And it's even on my skin. My skin is not discoloring or anything like that. It's from something I'm going to show you later on, okay? It was my Christmas gift from my children. Okay, so I like everything that I got. I just want to say there was not one thing that I received this year from CURLBOX that I didn't like. Even if I cannot use it, I make sure that because I love what they do so much, I keep my subscription. It's a lot of product, absolutely. I don't use all of it all the time every month. There are some months that I don't even get to use the products, but when that happens, I keep y'all in mind, or I keep my siblings or my daughters, you know, in mind. Even there's a box that I got that was for my husband. So I'm just saying, CURLBOX, they have come through for me and y'all time and time again. So I like everything that I received this month, a plethora of products, okay? They did us from our head to our skin, even our lipstick, so even some makeup products. So I'm here for this, absolutely here for it. So these are the items that were included in our CURLBOX for this month. Down below is the manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that was enclosed in the box. Okay, now I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbox the last CURLBOX of the year. I am not sad, I am excited to see what they have coming next year. Okay, so remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.